Hi friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So one of the biggest hiring from the Infosys has been announced for 2024 and 2025 pass out. So earlier also this announcement was there. Now again they have opened the hiring and salary you can get up to 21 LPA. So they are hiring for the various roles. So open roles are trainee, specialist program L3 21 LPA, specialist programmer L2 16 LPA and specialist programmer L1 10 LPA plus 1 lakh joining bonus. Beside that there are also one important role has been added, that is the DSC, Digital Specialist Engineer, and you will get salary up to 6.25 LPA plus 75,000 joining bonus. So if you are from the BE, BTech, ME, MTech, MCA or MSc background and from the CSC, IT, AIML, data science, cybersecurity, ECE, Triple E or any allied CS branches, then this is a wonderful opportunity and friends must apply for this important opportunity. Okay, so there will be two round of selection process. Round one, that is the online assessment, and round two, which will be in-person assessment plus interview, 3 hour each, programming focused. So ये assessment will happen in online. Okay, so earlier जो हुआ था वही assessment offline हुआ था, but this time they will take the assessment online and उसके बाद if you will clear, then there will be in-person assessment and they might ask you the questions related to the DP graph and all those for the specialist. So if you are able to solve all three questions, then you will get the 21 LPA. If you will solve two questions 16 LPA, then it completely depends on the performance of other candidates too. So this is a wonderful opportunity for applying that. I'll provide apply link in the description. Just go through it, and these are the details that they are requiring. So you will have to fill the details: candidate name, email address, phone number, address, date of birth, roll number, photograph, resume, and educational detail. Just you have to fill. So those who want to apply must apply for this, and this is a wonderful opportunity. So just click I agree, and you have to basically give your mail, first name, last name, and just provide the basic details. So this is a wonderful opportunity. Don't miss this. And friends, if you are the person who are preparing for the TCS interview, then just follow our video which we have recently posted related to interview experience, and just go through all that. And if you want to schedule your mock interview, you can also schedule by filling the form. Okay, we will provide you complete guidance which will help you to clear this interview. Okay, so we have already provided more than 40 plus selections in NQT and Wipro, another company. So if you want, you can fill. So this was the all update related to Infosys hiring. Again, make sure to apply with updated resume and make sure to refine the resume properly. Though there is not any resume shortlisting, but yeah, it will definitely play a critical role in the interview. Okay, if you were selected for in-person assessment and interview, then it will play a critical role. So make sure to apply with good resume. And current Infosys employee are not eligible to apply. They clearly basically written, and no referral bonus applicable. So this is a wonderful opportunity. Everyone should apply for this. Hope informative too. For getting such important job update, you can subscribe us. And if you have any query, feel free to ask here. You can connect also on LinkedIn or ask for doubt at Insta, Facebook, or whatever platform you're comfortable with. So मिलते हैं next important job update में. Thank you.